Hello everyone, I am Genevieve Gabin and I am 19 years old. I am currently living at Ayala Advent Home, Zamboanga City, and I graduated at Ayala National High School. As a student of Zamboanga Peninsula Polytechnic State University, my mission is to actively engage in learning, develop critical thinking skills, and apply knowledge to the real-world problems. And my vision is to contribute meaningfully to my field of study, foster personal growth, and ultimately make a positive impact in my community. My core values is I always put God first in my life and every decision I make, and apply values that includes integrity, inclusivity, excellence, collaboration, and respect to ourselves to ensure personal growth and professional growth. And lastly, my goal from this university is to embrace new ideas and techniques, engage and work effectively with others, adapt quickly to changes and feedback, strive for high quality and work continuous improvement.